Welcome back in this video. In this video, we will install another Sublime plugin. Okay, so we will install the Sublime Terminal plugin. Okay, so first of all, we need to install the plugin. Okay, so go to Preferences now. Click on Package Control. Okay, now install package. Okay, and now wait. Okay. So basically, Sublime Terminal plugin, open terminal from the existence folder. Okay, and terminal plugin is a very powerful plugin. Okay, it's very helpful plugin. Okay, so wait to load the repositories. Okay, so wait. Terminal the spelling terminal, this one. Okay, terminal. Okay, so click on terminal. Okay, and now installing. Okay, so installed successfully. Okay, and now right now close this one. Okay, now right now I am inside the Sublime editor folder. Okay, so right click here. Okay, and here you can see, here we have open terminal. Okay, here we have the option open terminal here. Okay, so click here. Okay, so now just wait. Okay, so this is the terminal from the Sublime editor folder. Okay, just wait. Okay, so here you can see, here we have the folder name. Okay, inside the drive we have Sublime editor. Okay, and you can also open from here. Okay, here we have here also we have the option open terminal. Okay, so this is a very powerful plugin. Okay, it's very helpful. Okay, if you are using the get version. Okay, let's say if you are using some cmd commands. Okay, okay, so it's this very helpful plugin. Okay, for Node.js user, for Laravel users. Okay, it's very helpful. Okay, close. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you in the next one.